Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make grid photo on Instagram Canva. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is create a new design. Then you're going to click on custom size down here. And you're going to set both the width and height to 3240. Once your design has been created, you're going to head over to uploads and upload the picture that you're going to use. Now you're just going to resize it. Make sure it is something like this, where your subject is big and is in the middle. After that, go ahead and download it. Now head over to this website. From here, you're just going to click on Browse. Then you're going to select the image you just saved from Canva. It will be shown right here. Then you're going to head over to the right side and you're going to select both grid. Then you're going to head over to quality of blocks and you're going to set this to 3. Scroll down again and set this one to 3 as well. After that, you just hit split image. After that, you're gonna download the zip file right here, so you can download them all at once. Once it's downloaded, open your File Explorer. Now look for the zip file. It should be in the download section. Then you're just going to right click on it and you're going to click on Extract All. Then click Extract. Now let's go into the folder, and as you can see, here is all the individual pictures for our grid. They're also named in a way that you can easily tell which one's which, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.